Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme23. We play billiard at Kita Kids, Marco Polo Hotel, Dera, Dubai. We celebrate my birthday in Kita Kids, eating, and we play billiard with my friends Joel, David, and Toto Neil. Shout out to all my friends and colleagues in Dubai duty free, especially my big boss Sanjay Lama, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan, and also to all my supervisor, Concourse A, Sir Buddy, Sir Nabin, Sir Sushil, Sir Jamal, and Ma'am Leia, Ma'am Rose, Ma'am Cecilia. Stay healthy always and take care. Enjoy your life. Best regards to all Sapir Boys, Sherwin, Reggie, Menjil, Cooks, Sandro, Kuya Kim, Carlos, Westbrook, Onen, Paring Dwight, Remar, Mark Jason, Joen, Edgar Brescia, and Bullet, Marlon Cas Office, Ian, Bernard, Paring Jigs, Menjil, Papa Kent, Eman, Joen ng Bulgari, Dan Badagwas, Ibo, Roma, Nash, Uncle Carl, Kuya Ryan, Uncle Pitts, Arby Timbuang, Loverboy, Katropang Miguel, Consi, Roy Singson, Dominic Solis, Ron Chua, Christian, Master Chris, stay pretty boy, stay healthy always, and Ibo from Terminal 2. Hello to all my friends, Transguard, Marhaba, Dinata, Innovate, Emirates staff. Take care always, stay healthy. Shout out to all BA, Terminal 1, Terminal 2, Terminal 3, and Al Maktoum Airport, Morsel, and take care always. Best regards to all OFW all over the world, especially UAE. Regards to all my friends, Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Africa, Chinese. Stay healthy always and take care. Be happy. Guys, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Enjoy your life. Be happy. Thank you for watching. Maasalam. We love you all. And God bless.